Glow
Ayan guys,
20X
good morning
Intense White
everyone.
Peeling Soap.
Samahan niyo akong mag-unboxing ngayon ng aking parcel. That's from SY Glue by Mother Lou. Tingnan natin guys, excited. Ito ay isang lotion, buy one take one lotion, at saka isang peeling soap. Ayan siya guys, 20 times intense white AHA BHE soap. Buksan natin guys. It's composed of 10 pieces by 15 grams. Tingnan natin ang laman. Kung legit ba 10 pieces. O ayan, legit po yan guys. 10 pieces yan guys. Smell natin. Amoyin natin kung ano ang amoy ng sabon nila guys. This is my first time nag-order ng 20 times intense white soap from SY Glow products. Ayan siya guys. Amoy gata siya guys. Mild lang yung amoy niya guys. Hindi masakit sa ilong. Ayan, yan ang gusto ko sa mga sabon. Mild lang siya. Kasi sensitive yung aking ilong guys. Mabilis magkasipon pag sobrang tapang ng amoy. Ayan. Perfect. 10 pieces legit. Ayan. Sa gusto mag-order, click the yellow basket.